everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily redeem codes in Asphalt Legends Unite. So to start, you'll have to open your browser and then navigate to their game website. Once you're on the website, on top, you will now see this option Redeem Code. All we need to do is to tap on this one. So in here, as you can see, it says verify your player ID first, then enter your code in the field below in order to get wonderful gifts. So what we need to do here is to type our player ID. So as an example, I'm just gonna type a random player ID here. And then after that, I'll have to tap on this verify option so the site can verify my player ID. So once your player ID is verified, your reward will automatically appear on your game. So that's how easy you can redeem codes in Asphalt Legends Unite. I hope this video helped you out, and then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss a video on our channel, and I'll see you on our next video.